Well, to be a pet therapy volunteer at this hospital is one of the greatest honors and joys that we have. We wanted to name him after a saint, so his name is Saint Barnabas, which is the son of encouragement. And we call him Barney for short. And we named him that before we knew he was going to be a therapy dog. Just relax, Francis. Just relax.
Hi, I am Braden. I am 14. I am also a freshman, and I am a brain tumor survivor.
Braden was diagnosed with a midbrain glioma when he was 8 years old. We thought that we had gotten it all, and then he started having headaches in October and found out in November they had grown back. Braden had a stroke after the third surgery, and it impacted his left side. So he's been coming to PCH for 6 therapies a week, 2 speech, 2 occupational therapy, and 2 physical therapy.
Incorporating the pets as well into the therapies, he's been able to exercise his left arm.
Sometimes the kids in rehab, they don't even know they're working when they're with Barney, but they really are. They're gaining some strength and working on their coordination skills, and they're just so happy.
That's also helped tremendously in the rehabilitation process outside of the hospital room.
It also really gave him a reason to be more coherent sometimes. So after brain surgery, there's a lot of times where he's not very coherent, and he was in a lot of pain. So even when he was awake, he would choose to keep his eyes closed. And when the dogs would come in, he would start smiling, sometimes for the first time in that stay.
You can just see the family in the corner of the room completely relieved that somebody came in and helped. And I don't think anybody really expected it to be a big fluffy dog that came in and helped.
It really lifts the spirits and puts him in a more positive place.
It's impossible to be sad around a happy dog.
These dogs are right next to him, and he's just smiling, and that's really impactful. You know, to see a child in the ICU recovering from brain surgery and just smiling.
He is very good at reading feelings of the children that he meets, and he's just there. He just wants to be there to help, and I think the humans around him feel that.
People wanted to see him doing well, and it was always the best opportunity to get one of those pictures when a dog was in the room visiting him. They were able to get him to interact in a way that we couldn't, and that's priceless.
I can't put it into words exactly. I can't say enough how much it's meant to me.
We know that animals can help decrease the risk of infection, they help relieve pain, and they help children heal faster. It's very important.
It is our fondest memory, in my opinion, of that time in the hospital.